In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a job or a project for a customer, whether you're handling multiple clients or just need to manage a specific job for an existing customer. Knowing how to efficiently use this function can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's dive right in and explore how you can do this with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to the customer section of your management portal. This area is essentially your go-to hub for all client-related tasks, serving as a comprehensive list of everyone you do business with. Once you're there, look for the customer for whom you want to add a job or project. This is a crucial step, as selecting the correct client ensures that all your data remains organized and that you can easily track any work in progress. After you have located and selected the desired customer, your next move is to click on either Add Job or Add Project. These two options are pretty straightforward. Add Job is perfect for those tasks that are one-time or have a shorter duration, while Add Project might be more suitable for work that is more complex or has a longer timeline. Choosing the right one will help you categorize and prioritize your work effectively. Once you've made your selection, you'll be prompted to enter the details of the job or project. It's important to be as detailed as possible during this stage. Consider including descriptions that cover the scope of the work, any deadlines that need to be met, and any particular notes that might be useful for you or your team. This description will be your reference point throughout the duration of the project or job, so a little extra effort now can save you a lot of time and confusion later. After entering all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Accuracy at this stage ensures that nothing crucial is missed. It also makes sure that you, your team, and even your customer are all on the same page regarding expectations and deliverables. Once you're satisfied that everything is in order, go ahead and save your work. This action formally logs the job or project under your selected customer, providing a solid record that you can refer back to as needed. Saving is a default part of making sure your input is protected and readily accessible whenever required. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to keep your work organized and under control. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success, allowing you to focus on delivering quality service to your clients. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you manage your client tasks more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks in our next video.